guys. Meron sa taas sa tuktok. Kakatakot siya guys. Itanaw siya. Makita ang kanderi oh. Makita ang Kanderi. Singapore Flyers. Naawa guys namin sa pinakatuktok. Akit mi aning kuan. Oh my goodness. Nauna na sila dito. Adto may daadto. Me too, ma'am. Me too. You go in front, Kong Kong. Ma'am, you take picture for me, ma'am. You go first, Kong Kong.
Yes, you go away, go away.
Mom, the bridge, you know, is moving.
Huh?
The bridge is moving.
1, 2, 3, okay.
Uy, grabe siya.
Ano ba? Kasi away si Joy lang. Away si Joy lang eh.
Ay, naku, nag-live ako.
Gumaganon siya.
Ay, ito lang pala, maiksi lang yung bridge niya. At least na ano ko na yung pangarap ko sa 6 years ko dito sa Singapore, guys. Ngayon pa ako nakaakyat dito, promise. 6 years living in Singapore, ma'am. This is my first time to come up here.
Okay,
Yes,
yes, me 6 months eh. I don't feel scared.
Do Maraming nag-akyat ngayon, guys. Kadalasan is mga tourist. Oh. Diba?
Kita akong sumatik. 1, opa ay sa 1, 2, 3, okay. Along, daddy, 在雨上那边看那个位置。OK， 来，1、
3
1、2、3 ，OK。
We see the
You want to put yeah? Now I wanted to see, but I don't know whether I can.
can see.
Yeah. Okay, no? Yeah. So later go Kapos.
Makita yung ano dito, guys, yung mga barko nandoon. Ito oh. Maraming nagkuan. Maraming nag-akyat. Ayan, nauna na sila, guys. Ako naghawak-hawak pa ako dito kaya natatakot ako. Ako be, magkuha, tibe. Sige, sige. 1, 2, 3. Maganda dyan. Dyan tayo, oh. Maganda. Makita ang ano. Ma'am, you take picture me from there, ma'am, to there, ma'am.
Take picture of you.
No, no, no. That side. Don't have the what? sun. Don't have the sun. Say. Yeah, nice view. Huh? We always take that building.
Okay, you want that one?
Why you don't want the building?
I always think like that. One more time.
1, 2, 3, done. Okay, 1, 2, 3, done.
Kukang. You don't want?
Okay.
Yeah.
Nami sa taas.
Okay, stop. 1, stop. 1, 2, 3.
Kaya pala pinapot niya yung bag niya. Okay.
Your bag is heavy.
Yeah.
That's why I don't want him to bring out.
What inside Kukang?
Umbrellas, anything.
Wow, so good.
Hey, hey, it's going to be, what time already? It's going to be 1 eh. We have to take our lunch. We still have to cut forest.
Yala. Hungry already. Hungry. Pababa na kami. Madali lang siya. Madali lang. Oh, you must queue. So, we must heal.
Queue. You go take a lift, is it?
You go first. Siya, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching.
Ito yung kapatid mo?
Saan?
Yun, meron